Powder makeup tips. Achieve a flawless and long-lasting look. Powder makeup is a staple in every beauty enthusiast's kit. From setting your foundation to reducing shine, powder is a versatile product that helps you achieve a polished, long-lasting look. However, using powder makeup effectively requires the proper techniques to avoid a cakey or overly matte finish. 1. Choose the right type of powder. Powder makeup comes in various forms, each serving a specific purpose. Understanding the differences will help you select the right one for your needs. Loose powder. Ideal for setting your foundation and reducing shine. It's lightweight and offers a natural finish. Pressed powder. Convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. It provides slightly more coverage than loose powder. Translucent powder. Best for setting makeup without altering its color. Great for a natural look. Tinted powder. Adds light coverage and can be used alone for a minimalist look. 2. Prep your skin properly before applying powder. Ensure your skin is well prepped to avoid patchiness or dryness. Cleanse and moisturize. Start with clean, hydrated skin to create a smooth base. Primer. Apply a primer to blur imperfections and help your powder adhere better. 3. Use the right tools. The tools you use can make a significant difference in the application. Brush for a natural finish. A fluffy powder brush works best for a light, even application. Puff for precision. Use a makeup puff to set specific areas, such as under the eyes or around the nose. Sponge for full coverage. A damp makeup sponge can press the powder into the skin for a flawless, long-lasting finish. 4. Apply in thin layers. Layering powder lightly ensures a natural and smooth appearance. Start small. Dip your brush lightly into the powder and remove the excess. Build gradually. Apply a thin layer, then add more if needed, focusing on areas prone to shine, such as the T-zone. 5. Set your foundation correctly. Powder is essential for locking in a liquid or cream foundation, preventing it from sliding off. Press, don't rub. Press the powder into your skin with a brush or puff to set your makeup without disrupting the base. Focus on key areas. Apply powder to oily areas and leave drier areas, like the cheeks, with minimal product for a balanced look. 6. Bake for a long-lasting finish. The baking technique is famous for setting up makeup and creating a crease-free look. Apply generously. Use a damp sponge to pack a generous amount of translucent powder onto areas like the under eye and jawline. Let it set. Remove the powder for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb excess oils. Dust off excess. Use a fluffy brush to remove the excess powder for a smooth finish. 7. Control shine throughout the day. Powder is perfect for managing shine, especially if you have oily skin. Blot first. Use blotting papers to remove excess oil before reapplying powder. Use a pressed powder compact. Carry a compact in your bag for quick touch-ups. Pat lightly on shiny areas for a refreshed look. 8. Avoid overpowdering. Too much powder can make your makeup look heavy and unnatural. Focus on specific areas. Apply powder only where needed, such as the T-zone, rather than all over your face. Use a hydrating spray. If you accidentally apply too much, a spritz of setting spray can help melt the powder into your skin for a more natural finish. Conclusion. Powder makeup is a versatile and essential tool for achieving a flawless, long-lasting look. You can elevate your makeup game by choosing the right powder type, applying it strategically, and using the proper tools while maintaining a natural finish.